Hello, this is Brown Book, page 38, number 87, Clowns of Paris. So this one, let's take a look at a few things. If you notice that the last measure of every single line has a special kind of half note called the dotted half note, meaning it gets 3 beats. So keep that in mind when you're looking at it, that the last measure always has that. There are no notes written in. So if you don't have them done already, write the note names in if you need to. If you've already got it memorized, amazing. I'll also say the names of the notes while we're playing it as well, for the first time. So we've got also some dynamic markings. We have an F written underneath the beginning, which means, do you think loud or soft? It means loud, which is forte in Italian. So you speak Italian now. Forte is Italian for loud. Then we have P on line 3, which stands for, any ideas? Piano, which means quiet in Italian. So we start loud, and then we get to quiet. And then we end with loud. So let's play it the first time through, trying to pay attention to all of these things, and then we'll play it again the second time, and it'll be much easier to remember all of these cool things that we're trying to do in this piece called Clowns of Paris. Okay. Let's go ahead and get started. There are 3 beats per measure, so I'm going to count to 3 2 times. Here we go. First note is a high D, and then we're going to go down the scale, basically. Yeah, basically down the D scale. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. D, 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 C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, B, 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 A, 2, 3. Get those fingers ready. G, 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 F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, E, E, D, 2, 3. Now piano. D, E, F sharp, again, D, E, F sharp one more time, D, E, F sharp, G, 2, 3. Now E, F sharp, G, E, F sharp, G, E, F sharp, G, A, 2, forte, D, C sharp, E, A, G, F sharp, E, D, E, 1, 2, 3. Nice job, guys. Okay, so really quickly, if we look at lines 3 and 4, you notice there's a pattern that repeats over and over and over again. And that's going to be a 3-note pattern. So the first one is in line 3. What are those notes? D, E, F sharp. Okay? And then the next one on line 4, the pattern is, what are those notes? E, F sharp, G. So just when you get time, before you practice it, just practice doing this numerous times and see if you can speed it up and how fast you can go without messing it up, okay? So let's try it one more time, a little bit faster, and I'm not going to say anything aside from the occasional counting. Okay, here we go. Very, very beginning. Good job with the dynamics, by the way. Remember that when we want to play louder, we bring our bow closer to the bridge. And when we want to play softer, one of the things we do is bring our bow closer to the fingerboard. Okay, from the beginning, I'm going to count to 3 twice. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice job, guys. Keep up the good work.